In today's video, I'm going to show you how my Italian grandmother made simple tomato sauce. Growing up, my brother and I had the privilege of spending our summers in a small seaside resort town in Tuscany, Italy called San Vincenzo. From our terrace, you could see the islands of Elba and Corsica. This is where my love for food began. Start with fresh ingredients whenever you can, and never skimp on the Parmigiano Reggiano. I start by picking some fresh chervil from my hydroponic unit. Then I grab some Italian flat-leaf parsley. I walk down the garden and harvest some fresh garlic. Normally you dry it first, but this is what I had on hand. Cut some fresh basil. Cut and remove the ends of the garlic, then peel it. Be generous with the extra virgin olive oil. Run the garlic through a press or chop and mince it. Over medium heat, add the garlic and fresh herbs. Add some hot peppers. I'm using homegrown cayenne. My grandmother used Marinella Italian hot chili peppers. Just can't find them here. Add some fresh ground black pepper. Cook everything until the garlic is fragrant. Then remove the hot peppers. I'm using whole field plum tomatoes. My grandmother normally used passata, but it's very expensive here. The reason I removed the peppers is because I knew I would use my immersion blender. Once blended, add the peppers back in. Or if you really like it hot, leave it in and blend it. Add some baleen fine sea salt. Be careful not to oversalt it at this point. Use fresh if you have it, but dried oregano is fine. Your sauce is ready when you can run a wooden spoon through it and the two sides don't come back together quickly. Add the sauce to your cooked, well-drained pasta, add the Parmigiano Reggiano, some fresh basil, and enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.